Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another profitable exchange platform that is going to offer where you can buy, sell, trade in sport trading in a future margin, and there is a lot of opportunities where you can grab a lot of profit. How all of this is going to happen in the Mexc exchange? There, first of all, you can check out limited time in the Mexc crypto season with the 1 million USD in amazing price at the event of Santa. I mean Christmas. You can also grab a lot of rewards on the Mexc too. Most trending tokens with lowest fees, future maker 0%, taker 0.02%. This is a good way to come grab your profit now, change your life, complete your dreams of life now. Get ready with is Mexc. This is an exchange platform where you can check out first of all that there are many other events that is going on. You can ready, there is also big thing every day supercar for the grab $12 million with the for participation is free. If you want to know about that, what is the basically, there is giants coin like there is Bitcoin, there is Ethereum and Sol. All of these are available. You can come join it. There is also a huge profit. You can check out how price is going to increase, means you can start trading right now. There will be a secured and with the high liquidity, number one liquidity globally, fast trading and enabling the tighter spread with the steadier trading platform for the future, as well as you can also get the profit while doing here sport trading. So next you can also check out about the hold Mexc token, that is basically native token of Mexc, to enjoy various privileges. That is also 50% of trading fees, 70% on referral commission. There are three major measures that can attract many top influencers on it. Reserving rate is 100%. You can also check out the next is about the securing the asset, and there is also a best option for you to come with the future insurance fund, means where if you are going to lose some money, there is compensation from the exceeding mortgage margin, so allowing you to trade with confidence now. If you want to download the application, come on the Apple Store, search the Mexc. If you are on Google Play Store for an Android or a Windows lover, there is also each and every version easily. You can start trade on the Mexc app from anywhere at any time. 24/7 team is also available. Now how to create account. This is the interface where you can put your email address and then you have to put your here referral code and click on the next option, that is your register. If you use here fast login like Google, Apple ID, or you can use your MetaMask or Telegram to get login, then definitely this is also available. And then you can also, if you want to come on the Mexc to buy the crypto, then you have to come on the buy crypto wallet. So my friends, for now we are going to show to you that how to get crypto with fiat currency. You have to click on the buy crypto. There is fiat deposit, there is debit credit card. You can also buy quick as well as peer-to-peer at the best prices. This is also available. You can come on to this interface where you can also select your language. Here there is also a language option. If you use, you can click on this English language, so I click on it, and there now you can check out each and everything about the buying and selling method on the Mexc using credit card, debit card, or you can also use very simple to buy or sell. You can start your fiat currency now. This is a simple process that you have to follow if you want to buy or sell the cryptocurrency, or if you want to start your trading option in the market. You can click on it and you can analyze. Here is copy trading too, and you can also choose what are the top trending coin. So my friends, here basically about the market cap, you can also check out that Bitcoin, giants coin are available on the top exchange platform. You can start your trading now, and if you go ahead, you can also go ahead to start your spot trading, as well as you can buy for some time when the price asset will increase. Definitely you can sell, and then definitely there will be a lot of profit. So I hope this is the simple method that you can understand, and here are the many pairs with a lot of currencies that you can buy, you can sell, you can analyze the details here. And if we come to the next, here is also airdrop option on the Mexc. Complete the deposit trading and get multiple reward on join now and deposit and get the earning on it. So I hope you have cleared how it is going to be profitable thing for you. Come and join, there is a lot of opportunities in the airdrop season. Here is the launch pool. You can enjoy massive free new tokens that is going on in the launch pool and buy the Mexc now. And there is also airdrops, and you can also get the next interface about their reward center. As you know about the Christmas, and there is an event is going on where you can check out phase 68 super X game, where you can register, and event will be end after 2 days. Before that you have to get started new register, and how they are going to start the mining and getting the profit completing the task, as you will start making and get the top high rank on it. Next, there is also a best Mexc future hot crypto challenge of $20,000. There will be a lot of reward. Get ready to start the pair. Here is the name. You can start trading. How much your funding rate, your trading experience will increase, you will definitely making the profit. Next is about the other upgrade your VIP, means you have to buy the Mexc tokens, and then you have to hold it for the lowest fees and get profit. There is affiliate income. You can invite friends, get to 40% income now. There is airdrop, there is 100% dollars. You can get ready and invite the friends on it. So I hope you have cleared. You can also get the borrow on the Mexc too. This can be set as one of the best options, where you can submit the loan application when they will also start return collateral. So I hope you have cleared. There is also a biggest prize pool of one super grand car. There you can also participate, free entry. So just you need to complete the task, get ready for that. See you soon next video. Till then, take care.